Okay everyone, welcome back to Fox Tech. This time we talk about the iPhone and how you can turn off 5G on your iPhone. This can be useful if you want to save battery life or if you're in an area with unreliable 5G coverage and let's say you prefer the stability of 4G. Now, let me clarify that your iPhone will automatically connect to 4G towers if there is no 5G coverage in your area. But if you want to prevent your phone from even searching for 5G, you can definitely do that. This is similar to older iPhones like the iPhone 4S, if you remember, where you could disable the 3G and just use the 2G device. But anyways, here's how you can do it. You open the settings app on your phone and then tap on cellular. Next, tap on cellular data options, and here you'll see an option called voice and data. Tap on it and you'll see a few different options here as well, including 5G on, 5G auto, and LTE. To turn off 5G, simply select LTE and this will disable 5G and ensure your phone only connects to 4G networks. Keep in mind that not every iPhone supports this feature. 5G support started with the iPhone 12 and of course all the later models. So if you have like iPhone 11 or older, you won't see this option and there's nothing to worry about since your phone isn't even equipped with these capabilities. Also remember that your carrier and the plan you're on need to support the 5G. If your carrier doesn't offer 5G services or if your current plan doesn't cover it, you won't have any issues related to this connectivity, and in this case your phone will simply operate on the available network, most likely 4G or LTE. And if you have any concerns or specific questions about your plan, it's always a good idea to reach out to your carrier as they're gonna know precisely what's going on and they can provide you detailed information. And that's essentially it. Turning off 5G on your iPhone is a very simple process and it can help improve battery life even and provide more stable connection. So yeah, it depends on what you want to achieve. But this is it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fox Tech for more videos like this one, and I will catch you in the future. Peace out until then.